Hey everyone, today we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to use Chartify AI properly, and welcome to Tutorials by David. So you wanna use the Chartify AI effectively in this year, and it has never been easier than you imagine. So first off, you wanna log into your details, your account, and select the type of chart or visualization you need, whether it's a line graph, bar chart, or a complex dashboard. Next is input your data correctly or accurately, making sure to clean and format it beforehand for the best results. Next, leverage Chartify AI smart suggestion, like it can recommend the most insightful chart type, highlight trends, and even detect anomalies automatically. Customize your chart like colors, labels, and interactive elements to make it both visually appealing and easy to interpret. Finally, review the AI generated insights carefully, like export your chart in your preferred format and integrate it into reports or presentation.